7:48, good Friday morning, everybody. Before the break, we were talking about some rain, but that's still well to the south and west of us. We'll get to the radar in a second. First, I want to show you the difference that we're dealing with in terms of cloud cover. And some of us seen sun and some of us seen none of it. You go to the north and northeast, and so across central Kentucky, northern Kentucky, northeastern Kentucky, it looks like this. So some sun getting through. You head south. Not the case right now. Somerset, London, down into Monticello, heading over here toward Cumberland Falls. It is overcast or at least mostly cloudy. That is going to be likely the trend for the rest of us later today. The thicker clouds here move northeast. So where we've had the thinner clouds overnight, it's cooler. It's 46 now in Pikeville, 48 Moorhead, 44 up in Flemingsburg, 46 Mount Sterling, but 50 in Richmond and 51 in Lexington, 49 in Frankfort. Milder to the south. Here's that satellite image. We've had some maybe passing sprinkles. That would be the extent of it down to the Lake Cumberland area. Those have kind of fizzled now. But this little batch of rain is approaching here very, very quickly the southern part of Russell and the western part of Wayne County. So there could be some sprinkles or isolated showers going into those two counties within the next hour. But most of the widespread rain is really south of the state line into Tennessee, and that's moving east. That'll move over eventually toward Knoxville and keep moving away from us. But this whole front, this one front, does come north as the day wears on. So watch, see, there goes those showers. But as the warm front lifts north, we'll see some spotty or widely scattered showers later this afternoon and heading into even the evening hours. I'm not even going to rule it out a couple of showers overnight into Saturday morning. But the further that warm front goes north of us, that means that our greatest lift for showers goes north with the front. So during the afternoon tomorrow, I do expect us to start seeing some sunshine breaking out Saturday afternoon, a windy day, but also warmer. We'll make a run at 80, especially if we get peaks of sunshine. Heading into Sunday, Sunday is the best looking day of the weekend. Still breezy, but not as windy likely as what Saturday will be, but still some wind to deal with, but even warmer and more sunshine getting through. Today, isolated shower, maybe a thunderstorm going into the afternoon would be the better chance, but even then, overall, the rain chance for the day at 30%, trending mostly cloudy for sure this afternoon. An isolated shower or two possible tonight, low 60s. The next big thing is just this active stormy pattern into next week. I know it's a lot to squeeze in there, but we will be talking about it here in your 7-day. Storm chance possible this afternoon, isolated to spotty. Saturday, mostly dry. Sunday, dry, breezy in the 80s. Then the active pattern starts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe even into Friday morning. And we know what next Friday is, Oaks. And we'll be there. Let's hope let's hope the rain moves out before then. We've still got several days to track that front, and we'll definitely keep an eye on it.